Now here the question is, we are given this function fx, and it is this integral from 0 to x square f under root t dt. Now it says if f dash x is equal to small f dash x, then find the value of f2. Now what we'll do is we'll differentiate this function. We'll write f dash x as this f, and we'll put this upper limit, so it'll be fx into derivative of upper limit, which is 2x, and then minus derivative of lower limit is 0. Now we are given that f dash x is small f dash x, so we'll write f dash x equals fx into 2x, which we can write as f dash x upon fx, and it'll be equal to 2x. Now we integrate this function with respect to x, so it'll be log fx equals x square plus c, or fx is e to the power x square plus c. Now we can write e to the power c as some constant a, so we'll get this function fx as a into e to the power x square. Now we're given that when x is 0, f is 1. So when x is 0, f is 1, so we'll get a as 1. That means this function fx, it will be e to the power x square. Now we'll need to find the value of f2. Now what is f2? f2 will be this integral from 0 to 4, and then f under root t dt, and it'll be f2, this integral from 0 to 4. Now what is f under root t? fx is e to the power x square, so it'll be simply e to the power t dt, so it'll be e to the power 4 minus 1. So value of f2 is e to the power 4 minus 1, and that's your option B. Now here the question is, solve this equation for y as a function of x satisfying this equation. Now what we'll do is, we'll differentiate this equation. Now here we'll use product rule, x as it is. Now derivative of this function will be y as a function of x into derivative of x1 minus derivative of 0 is 0. Now plus this integral as it is from 0 to x yt dt into derivative of x, which is 1, and it'll be equal to x plus 1, and here will be x yx derivative of x is 1 minus 0, and then plus this integral from 0 to x t y as a function of t dt into 1. Now here x into yx will cancel, so we'll get this as this integral from 0 to x 1 minus t yt dt, and it'll be equal to x square into y as a function of x. Now we'll differentiate this equation again, so we'll get 1 minus x into yx, and it'll be x square into y dash x plus yx into 2x. So we'll write this as 1 minus 3x into y as a function of x, and will be equal to x square y dash x. Now we can write this as y dash x upon yx, and it will be equal to 1 upon x square minus 3 upon x. Now we'll integrate these two functions with respect to x. Now here we'll get log y as a function of x, and here will be minus 1 by x minus 3 log x, and plus integration constant c. So we can write y as a function of x as e to the power minus 1 by x into e to the power minus 3 log x into e to the power c. Now e to the power c is some constant, say a, so we can write y as a function of x as a into e to the power minus 1 by x. Now what about this? We can take this minus 3 to the power of x and then en log will cancel. So we'll get this as 1 upon x cube. So that's your y as a function of x. Now we are given this initial condition that when x is 1, y is 1. So if we put x as 1, we'll get 1 equals a into e to the power minus 1. That is the value of a is e. So if we put a as e, we can write this y as a function of x as e to the power 1 minus 1 upon x upon x cube, and that is the answer to this question. Now here the question is, let f be a differentiable function satisfying x into this integral from 0 to x 1 minus t ft dt, and it is equal to this integral from 0 to x t ft dt for all x belongs to R positive and f1 equals 1. We need to determine this function fx. Now again we'll differentiate this function. For the expression on the left hand side, we'll use product rule. Now x as it is, what is the derivative of this integral? It is 1 minus x into fx into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative constant is 0. Now plus this integral as it is from 0 to x 1 minus t ft dt, and derivative of x is 1, and here on the right hand side it will be simply x fx. Now x fx will cancel, so we'll get this integral from 0 to x 1 minus t ft dt, and it will be equal to x square fx. Now we'll again differentiate this function. So if we differentiate it again, we'll get 1 minus x into fx, and it will be equal to x square into f dash x plus 2x into fx. Now we'll take this fx on the left hand side, we can write 1 minus 3x into fx, and it will be equal to x square into f dash x. Now we can rearrange this as f dash x upon fx, and it will be equal to 1 upon x square minus 3 upon x. Now we'll integrate this function with respect to x. Now if we integrate with respect to x, we'll get log fx, and it will be equal to minus 1 by x minus 3 log x plus c, or we can write fx as e to the power minus 1 by x e to the power minus 3 log x into e to the power c. This is some constant, say a. So we can write this function fx as a into e to the power minus 1 by x. Now this is x to the power minus 3, and then en log will cancel, so it will be a upon x cube. So that's our function fx. Now we need to find the value of this constant a. We are given that when x is 1, f1 is 1. So this is 1, this is a, and this is e to the power minus 1. So value of a is simply e. So from here we can say this function fx will be e to the power 1 minus 1 upon x cube, and that is the answer to this question.